Well, good morning, YouTube and Full 30, because this is going to be one of those videos that gets simulcast. So what we're going to talk about today, real quick, I got something that came in that is pretty awesome, and it was a gift from one of you guys on the YouTube subscribers. So we'll get into that in just a second. So I wanted to say thank you. I'm not going to put out who it is, but I had somebody that had said they wanted to send me a gift, and I was like, okay, just don't go crazy and stuff like that. And they absolutely didn't listen to me, and they went a little crazy. But I can honestly tell you it's one of the coolest things that I've had given to me in a while. So we're gonna take a look at it. I got a Bark River North Country EDC II in S45VN. So guys, if you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Was the other day, and I think it was Saturday, I believe, Friday or Saturday, there was a package in my mailbox, and I opened up the mail. I got a package delivery. I ran out to my mailbox, and there's a box in there, and I brought it in. I didn't pay any attention to what was written on it, and when I opened it up, the first thing that popped out to me was this Bark River Knives container, and inside that was the North Country EDC II, but it's done in probably some of the coolest handles on any knife I've had come in a long time. This was a, what is this? Ruby Frost Dragon Scale with a cherry red liner and mosaic pins. All of those things right there are things that I really love. If you've ever heard anything I talk about. I like to say, be prepared, be ready, be tough, but do it with some style. And apparently somebody listened, because this is a really, really good outdoor knife. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn around and take a good look at this. I'm not giving any specs or anything because I really haven't looked them up yet. I didn't even look up a price tag because it was a gift. And I'm not gonna put out the person's name because I'm not sure if they wanna take credit for it. I hope they did not pay what this is listed at on the box, but I didn't even look at it until somebody mentioned it on Instagram when I posted up some pictures. I did not realize the cost of this knife, but this thing is great. So let's go ahead, turn around. We'll just take a good, quick upfront look at it. I'm not even gonna, I shot another video. I'm not even gonna bother bringing out the microfiber towel. I might, who knows. But I just got done shooting another video and I thought it would be really cool for you guys to see this. So let's stop talking, Mike, and actually do it. Meet you down there. All right, so let's just go ahead and take a look at this, guys. So first thing first, it is beautiful. The sheaths, I love Bark River knives. They do such a great job. So Bark River knives, you got my vote. These are, you guys make some of the best outdoor knives on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. First of all, sheath, that is probably one of the best sheaths I've had come on a fixed blade knife in a very, very long time. And the nice thing is, it's not like you're locked in. If you're carrying it, you can flip it. That's something that Bark River is always really good about, utilitarian. Nice sheath. It does have spots where you can carry it scout carry. It's got the loops where you can carry it high and low, but that's not, oh yeah, and they stamp all their sheaths really well. Nice, good, supple leather. Good retention because it's nice and far down in there. Really good sheath. So let's go ahead and take a look at this blade. So this is a first production run. That's why we aren't talking much about the knife itself, because there's not much to be found out about this knife out there. So this is, let me cover up the price because it's, well, I mean, it's already on there. This is the North Country EDC II in S45VN. Now the thing about this is, this knife is a full convex grind. If you look, it comes all the way down, it curves. And so the convex sharpening that I do, not convex, yeah, convex, not recurve. Jeez, I'm losing my mind today. Is done incredibly well on these knives, and it is terrifyingly sharp because there is almost no transition to the actual edge on this. It's almost a zero grind. It's as close to a 0 grind. There you go. You can see it's super thin. This is so sharp. I've already cut some cardboard and stuff with it. But the other thing, it's super comfortable in hand. So we haven't even touched on the way it looks yet. But as far as like ergos, great on this. The way the angle it's at for doing work is great. The grind on it is perfect for outdoor bushcraft stuff. Nice thick blade, comes down to a super acute point. Look at that. That's the only concern I have. It's kind of thin. I'm afraid if you look, it's kind of already rounded over. I'm afraid that I'm going to break that, but you know, hey, I can always put a new tip on it. It's got some minor flaws on it, but you know, all knives do. Mosaic. Okay, so now let's get into the part that you guys are like, when is he going to talk about how it looks? Look at that, guys. Dark red into a lighter red with the white dragon scale, mosaic pins. I like to say it all the time. It's good to be tough. It's good to be prepared, but you can do it with some style. You don't have to do it all plain Jane. This knife is a workhorse beast of a knife. You can feel it. Nice ergos, nice. Just the weight on it's just about perfect for an outdoor knife. Would not be afraid to at all try and baton on this. And it's an S45 VN, which is a blade steel I have not gotten to really try it. I sharpened one knife in it. No, I did not. I was going to sharpen a knife in S45 and never got it come in. So, it's a hand ground knife. Now that I make knives, I'm a little forgiving. There's a low spot here. This comes up a little bit, but it transitions well, and I'm not seeing that play any issues into like the actual overall grind. Super comfortable in hand. I've cut some, like I said, cut some cardboard down with it. It is a beast. So let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a thumbnail here. We'll zoom in on it while we're talking. It is so nice. Such a nice knife that we just have to use that as the thumbnail. So, all right, guys, I'll meet you back up at the, in front of the counter. So, yeah, I can't tell you how cool it is that one of you guys would send this to me. It's awesome. This is going to definitely get some use. This is one of those things that I'm definitely going to use. I don't spend as much time out in the woods and stuff, but I'm definitely going to use it for around here. And so pretty sure that the person that got this for me, I'm hoping this isn't something that's randomly showed up for sharpening. They're like, oh yeah, I drop shipped it to you, and then I'll be all disappointed. But pretty sure that this is staying with me. But at any rate, what I was saying is, yeah, it's one of those things where it was cool that somebody sent it to me. I can't tell you, this is the happiest I've been with just a random mail call that has shown up in a while. So yeah, this will get some use. This will get a lot of use. If anything, it's just going to go in and be used and kept as the gift stuff. It's always awesome when I get these. My wife just got home from work, so I got to wrap this up. But yeah, we'll do a full-on video about this after I've carried it and used it for a while. I'm a big guy. I can carry a big fixed blade like this in some settings. So we shall see. I really am happy with it so far. I'm just curious how the handles are going to hold up and any staining and things like that I might get on it. So, all right, guys, just some quick content. Keep your eyes open. I am going to put some stuff up on Full 30. If you want to go there and follow me, I have tips and memberships there as well as here. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but try to tell me why. Like I said, if you really want to support the channel, there is, on both platforms now, there is a membership tab and a basically tips tab if you want to do that. So yeah, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.